Friends, welcome to AKS Bright. நாம் இந்த வீடியோவில் 12th Computer Science Python Chapter 5 Python How to declare the variable and operations பற்றி நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். So introduction. So Python is a general purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum from CWI. Okay. So CW means Centrum Viscum and Informatica. If you have to note it, which is the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. நெதர்லாண்டில் உள்ள பிளேஸில் இதை சர்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. This language was released in 1991. The Python got is the name from a BBC comedy series from 70s monthly Python playing circus. The Pythons support both procedure and object oriented language approach. This also basic object oriented language base use this language. Okay, so whatever the key features in Python, it is the general purpose programming language which can be used for both scientific and non-scientific programming. It is a platform independent programming language. The program written in the Python are easily readable and understandable. Okay. Yeah, this version 3.x of the Python IDLE. IDLE means Integrated Development Learning Environment. It is used to develop and run the Python code. Okay, you have to use this path and run the Python code. It can be downloaded from the web resource www.python.organization. We have to use this website, download the Python software. Okay, next, programming in Python. In the Python program can written to the two ways, namely inactive mode and script mode. Two method இருக்குது இதில், inactive mode and script mode. We have to use the program and typing. So interactive mode allow us to write the code in the Python command prompt 333. Okay, so whereas in script mode program can be written and stored as separate file which the extensions .py. So every program we have to write and store some extension is there. So we have to use this Python program .py is the extension. Okay, as executed, the script mode is used to create and edit the Python source file. So interactive mode programming. Interactive mode Python code can be directly typed as the interpreter displayed the result. Immediately, the interactive mode can also be used in the simple calculators. I will open this window, start all program Python's 3.x and IDLE. We have to use this path. We have to select this path, open this window. Yeah, this is the Python window. This is the command prompt window. The file edit view is called the menu bar. Name identification is called the title bar. The white area is there, no. So the three prompt is there, no. That is the Python prompt. We have to start here, type the program. The prompt 3 prompt is there now, indicated that interpreted it ready to access the instructions. Therefore, the prompt on screen means IDLE is the working in the interactive mode. So notice this IDLE is the working with interactive mode. Now let us try to simple calculation by using the simple mathematical expression. This program I am going to explain the interactive mode, how to use the interactive mode and type the program. See, yeah, 5 plus 10, so 15. So 5 plus 15 into 10, so 505. So you have to type this format, immediately get the result using the Pythons. Okay, so 5 into 2, so 5 power of 2, so to 25. Okay, here interactive mode, so write this print Python programming language, so immediately come the output the Python programming language. Next, x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Assign the x value 10, y value 20, g equal to x plus y. So print the sum of z. Okay, so 10 plus 20 what answer? 30. The sum of 30. Okay. Next we have to use the interactive mode, the same program here typing. The print of the Python programming language. So here print x value, then y value, print the sum equal to z. You get the result, sum equal to 30. So all of you understood this introduction and how to use the interactive program. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share your friends, continue watching my video. I tell the next class how to use the script mode. Okay, bye.